Hello, welcome to Vulkee Arts. I'm going back to visit one of my character, Ghostie, a ghost lady that I draw often to use for my ghost stories. And this is one of my animation back in the 2013. So enjoy. Here also, I'm drawing her again on the top right here, just for fun. This was back in 2013, I believe. Me and my cousin, we went to Minnesota for the New Year in November. And while we were coming back home, I actually was dating a girl friend from Minnesota, and my cousin was single. I was talking on the phone. He was just driving. I keep looking at the rear mirror. He saw the lady with the long hair in the back and just hunched forward. I asked him what's going on, and he just told me that it's okay. He was just tired. So then we kept driving, and we got home safely. But then a week later, we went to the 7 Mile Fair in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and he told me about it. And then the next weekend, I went back up there to visit my girlfriend in this same vehicle, and nothing happened. Back in 2013, my nephew caught this photograph of a face. See here, see if you think it's real or fake, but it was legit. Um, my nephew was only maybe 2 or 3. He was playing with the camera and he just shot that photograph. This next event happened to my sister back in July 1997. She was checking out the calendar by my parents' bedroom by the door, and as you can see, this is what happened. This is one of my animation back when I was still at UW-Parkside, and like I said, I use Ghostie, the ghost, my ghost character throughout these stories. So enjoy. Thanks for watching. Follow me, Vulkee Arts, and I will make more videos.